Workout resumed.
Hi sir, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
How's the life over here?
Where are you going, sir?
I just was wondering, is it allowed to go inside or no?
It's not allowed,
Not
sir.
allowed.
Yeah.
Even now, as a tourist also, they cannot allow.
No. Because of the pandemic.
No, after pandemic is over. It's been like 4 hours now, 4 years now.
Years ago?
But I heard that there is a inside resort. You can book the resort like 2K something like this.
Nakadipin siya ba? Book at the SRTC.
Yeah, I heard somebody.
Because I have no employer right now. Because of election.
Ah, election. Okay, okay. So maybe probably